Hello friends, welcome to the Missing Fact. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of pearls and discovering how these beautiful gems are formed inside oysters. Pearls have been treasured for centuries, symbolizing purity and elegance. But have you ever wondered how these beautiful gems come to be? Let us explore the incredible journey of a pearl. It all begins with an irritant, often a teeny grain of sand or a parasite that accidentally enters the oyster's shell. This irritant causes the oyster to protect itself by secreting layers of a substance called nacre or mother of pearl. Nacre is composed of a calcium carbonate and a protein. Over time, the oyster continuously coats the irritant with a layers of nacre, gradually forming a pearl. This process can take several years depending on the type of oyster and environmental conditions. There are two main types of pearls, natural and cultured. Natural pearls are formed without human intervention, making them extremely rare and valuable. Cultured pearls, on the other hand, are created by intentionally inserting an irritant into the oyster, speeding up the pearl making process. Pearl farming is a meticulous process. Farmers care for the oysters, ensuring they have the right conditions to thrive. Once the pearls are ready, they are carefully harvested, cleaned and sorted. Pearls come in various shapes, sizes and colors, each with its unique beauty. From classic white and cream to rare black and golden hues, pearls are a true wonder of nature. Whether set in a necklace, earrings or a ring, pearls continue to captivate us with their timeless charm. They remind us of the beauty that can come from nature's intricate processes. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of pearls. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the nature's wonders. Until next time, keep exploring.